Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Excel files view-only. This is crucial for preventing unintended modifications to your valuable data. You can share your workbooks with confidence, knowing the content remains exactly as you intended. We will explore 3 effective methods, each offering a different level of protection, so you can choose the best fit for your specific requirements. The first method is to mark as final, which signals that your workbook is the completed version. This adds a banner at the top, discouraging any changes. To do this, go to the File tab, select Info, then click Protect Workbook and choose Mark as Final. While it doesn't strictly prevent editing, it serves as a strong visual cue, informing recipients that the document is ready for viewing, not modification. For more robust protection, you can protect the workbook structure or individual worksheets. Protecting the workbook structure prevents users from adding, deleting, or renaming sheets. Protecting a worksheet can lock cells, preventing data entry or formula changes. Navigate to the Review tab, then click Protect Workbook or Protect Sheet. You can optionally set a password, adding one extra layer of security to control who can make alterations. Our third method involves saving your file as read-only recommended. This presents a prompt when the file is opened, suggesting it be viewed without editing. To enable this, go to File, then Save As, click Browse, and in the Save As dialog box, select Tools, then General Options. Check the Read-Only Recommended box. You can also add a password here to strictly require one for any modifications, making it truly view-only without the password.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.